Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening WhatsApp and picking the contact or group you want to call. Tap the call icon and choose voice call. If you want multiple people, start a group call. Allow microphone and phone permissions so audio works. This avoids connection issues later. Once done, confirm your network. Wi-Fi is preferable for stability. Make sure your handset volume and do not disturb are set to allow audio. Now move on to adding others or optimizing audio settings. Once the call starts, you can add people by tapping Add or Invite and selecting Contacts. This keeps the flow alive without ending the session. Manage who speaks by using mute and unmute controls. Tap quickly when background noise appears. Switch between speaker and earpiece to test clarity. Speaker boosts volume, earpiece gives privacy. If audio lags, enable low data mode or move from cellular to a stronger Wi-Fi. These steps reduce packet loss and improve voice quality. To finish, tap the red end button and confirm if necessary. That closes your side of the voice chat immediately. After the call, check for app or OS updates because outdated software often causes disconnections. If calls repeatedly fail, restart WhatsApp and your phone to clear temporary glitches and verify microphone permission in settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if participants report silence, ask them to toggle mic access and switch networks. This single step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.